A letter signed by Stella Atingu, the Deputy Registrar of the High Court Civil Division, indicates that the application for a habeas corpus or the order for police to produce Christopher Aine will be heard by Justice Lydia Mugambe-Ssali. The application was made by Aine's cousin Ezra Kabugo.
We want police to reproduce Aine.
Aine, the head of independent presidential candidate Amama Mbabazi's private security team, mysteriously went missing about 3 weeks ago from his home in Kampala. The search for Aine took a new twist on Thursday after the red paper tabloid published a grisly picture of a deceased person on the front page, claiming that the body resembled Aine.
It is a depiction of something very heinous and terrible. We cannot confirm, we cannot verify, but we fear that this could be him.
Aine's relatives later visited the city mortuary to ascertain whether their son had passed on. On Thursday, police summoned the red paper editors for questioning on the source of the picture of the deceased person. Today, the editors were questioned for the better part of the day and their file forwarded to the Director of Public Prosecutions to prefer possible charges.
Because we believe this is not a confidential source, they can lead us to their source.
Meanwhile, some human rights defenders have questioned the move by the police against journalists, saying it is an attack on press freedom.
If one person has already disappeared and there are questions about their whereabouts, we don't want to see other Ugandans suffering because of that. We want to see a professional way in which the police may be seeking for information without necessarily being cracking down on the media and therefore infringing on the media freedom.
Aine disappeared on Monday, 14th December 2015 at dawn. His maternal cousin Ezra Kabugo told NTV that police officers went to Aine's home searching for him a few minutes before his disappearance.
When I called Aine in the morning, he picked up and I told him that the police are here looking for you. In his reply, he said that he's hearing some people walking and knocking on his door in his compound. So he told me to call him back in a few. So when I tried calling him back, his phone was off.
Ernest Wisdom Chionga, NTV.